Bali, undoubtedly one of the best places I've traveled to. Let me show you why. So, last summer I had visited Bali with my other friends. The moment you step into Bali, you'll fall in love. And why not? Bali makes you feel rich, as in really rich. Our 5-day trip to Bali was split between Nusa Dua and Ubud. In Nusa Dua, we got a lavish 2-bedroom pool villa all to ourselves. After freshening up, we started our day by going to Jimbaran beach, where we had our sumptuous portions of nasi goreng and mee goreng, accompanied by some lovely drinks. To our surprise, we met some lovely people who were singing Bollywood songs to us while we were enjoying our lunch. What a way to start our trip! Post lunch, we did have ample of time in our hands, so we thought, why not go try out some water sports? My friend Pooja and I were not such adventurous, but nevertheless, we put our apprehensions aside and thought, let's go and try out walking in the seabed. Just look at that. Just look at that. I mean, it was crazy. So guys, this might look easy, but for a person like me who has never gone underwater, who is very scared of swimming, this was a huge deal for me. But the moment you start feeling the fishes, the moment you start playing with them, that is next level. You can see my excitement, you can see it from my face. We were absolutely drained by the time we came back to our hotel, but that did not stop us. That did not stop us from having fun in the pool and to listen to some good music and party and have some fun. So we finished the day on a really good note. The next day we had to start early because we had lots and lots of activities planned and little time to waste. Our journey for Nusa Penida started in a speedboat, and from there onwards we took a car that took us to the different coasts, east coast and then followed by the west coast of Nusa Penida. So Nusa Penida is a small island an hour's distance from Bali, and it's still a very beautiful virgin island, not as densely populated or as commercialized as Nusa Dua, but the views, I bet it's gonna last for a lifetime. On the left side you see the Atu beach, and on the right you'll see the Diamond Beach. The pristine blue water, the landscape formations, the sky, the waves hitting the shore, it just takes you to a different place. It's so difficult to believe that such a place actually exists. As it was already day, we had our lunch and headed to our next destination, that is the Kelingking beach. So anyone who has seen pictures of Bali must be familiar with this hunchback formation of the Tyrannosaurus rex. As we were covering both east and west coasts in a day, we didn't have time to travel all the way to the beaches, but some things are better kept for next time, right? The last destination before heading back to Nusa Dua was the Crystal Bay beach. As we signed off the day, though exhausted, we are still excited to explore more of Bali.